How to order to an Amazon pick up section. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can order to an Amazon pick up location. Okay, so how can you order to an Amazon pick up location? It is very simple. The first step is to log in into your Amazon account. Once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, the next step is to go ahead and select the product that you would like to order. Okay, so once you select the products, just click on the products. Once you see the products, select the one you want, and then once you selected the products you want and you are brought to the page, the next step is to go ahead and you can add to cart first, or okay, you have to select size. Let's go back and select another product. Okay, fast product. So once you selected another product and then you click on buy now, you'll be taken to the products details page, or to the shipping page. Yeah, checkout page to be precise. On this page now, for you to be able to order to an Amazon pickup location, all you need to do is to input the address, to go ahead and click on add a new address, or input an Amazon pickup location as the shipping address. All right, that is all you need to do. At this point, you can see that you ask for your country and region, you ask for first and last name. Then when it comes to address, all you need to do is to type in the address of an Amazon pickup location. Maybe the one closer to you, whatever. Just ensure that you add it here. Click on use this address, and then from there and then the order will be sent to that particular Amazon pickup location. It's that simple, okay? Very, very simple. Just ensure that you know the address, or you have the address of the Amazon pickup location. You put it in the shipping address field, and then from there you would get your product. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.